Welcome to the Sausage Castle, the wildest home in America. A private 80-acre estate located only minutes from Walt Disney World just outside of Orlando, Florida. The home of the party legend and self-made entertainment entrepreneur Mike Busey, who has hosted the wildest and craziest parties and events for the last 20 plus years. You have seen us featured on Netflix, TMZ, MTV, Vice, and much more. A second home to many of the biggest entertainers, athletes, and rock stars in the business. You never know who will show up. A place to play, work, and create. Countless movies, TV shows, and music videos have been produced and filmed at the Sausage Castle. This 80-acre entertainment complex has anything and everything you could imagine. Endless fun and wild activities to enjoy. This is the ultimate Florida experience, and it's always a good vibe. It's like an adult summer camp where the pursuit of life, liberty, and happiness is alive and well. Come experience it yourself.